So very well could be bad. One that I shoulder.
Gang's here. What is that?
What? That was you on the way here? Orange juice.
Oh, is that what it is? 10 in the morning? That's good. YouTubeception? Wow! Car. These guys showed up. Awesome FDs. This is beautiful. Oh, look at Joel showed up. What's up? How you been? Back to the cars. This is fun. This is sick. Wheel side kit on an RX-7 FD. Beautiful. Fast and Furious. This is a real Sylvia. Right-hand drive. Arthur showed up with his Turbo LS. Is here. Turbo LS SE. The whole gang. Z, A36, 1J36, Z, 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 Z. A lot of Z's. This is sick. This is my friend's 2J 350Z. Big turbo, 700 horsepower. More Z's. Z, S13, Z, Miata Z. Joel made it. I can't believe you bring this thing out. It's been in hibernation.
Like 7 years.
Yeah, old school drift car right there. This is a real turbo too, right? Or turbo 2 RX-7. This is the real factory turbo.
I haven't done anything.
A86, Hachiroku style. Sick Miata. Awesome. Awesome livery. S12 SR, beautiful. Obviously Jason is 1.5J. This thing is sick. We've all seen it shoot flames out of there. This is the side I'm super excited about because the front is kind of like the drift cars, and there are some nice cars, but this side is like the clean street driven cars. I want to show you this aisle. Ravi's here obviously in his E46 Vet, G35 sedan, 6-speed. That thing's beautiful. R32. More Z's. FRS. More cars. This is sick. I want to see more IS 300s at the meets. Those are sick. Beautiful paint job. Oh, that stance. Sick. We got a couple of those over here. This is super beautiful color. I love this color right here. Yeah. This is the biggest underrated car here. One of my favorites. That's beautiful. I don't know if anybody drifts these, but they're rear wheel drive. They could totally drift. I would definitely take it out. Bet you they're fast. Why you late, boy? You slept in? Yeah. Oh man. Where can I park? Right next to Jason. Wait. Park next to Jason, but leave some room for people to walk. This boy drove this here after he hit the wall on this side. No wonder he's been destroying this body kit. Look at how low he is. Robbie made it out too. Boy, look at that rig. Oh man, this could be a sick video. You gotta go check him out.
Can I get like a name right here?
Yeah, right here at the finger. Right there. Ooh, you leaving? Thanks for coming, bro.
Thank you, bro.
Rev it. This is cool, seeing basically a drag car show up to a drift meet. Yeah, I love V8s. V8 to welcome anywhere. Some more cool cars have shown up. This is sick. Another one. I love that paint job. Plus it's properly fitted in the rear. Nice.
You use the orifice reductor, changes the pressure.
Whatever you can buy it right from Turner.
I have it, I just didn't put it in.
I think it's the
Look at Ian all jealous.
Hey,
Hey, why are you jealous, bro?
gang. No, it's a nice car, man.
Does it run with all 8 cylinders, or is it like yours?
And it's running on all 8, right?
Got a crazy power steering.
This thing is sick.
I've never seen it like that before. It looks like a. It's like
What a real S13 should look like. This thing is beautiful. Stock body, stock everything, pig nose. You don't see that anymore. Coupe. I don't like that it has a sunroof, but I'll overlook it for now. Full interior, nice and clean. Look at that rear end, guys. It hasn't hit any walls. You just don't see that anymore. This sick Miata coming through with that Spitfire. We're here for them hood dumps. This makes me miss my Miata so much, guys. You have no idea. The Hot Boys showed up. My friend Ben, the GS. Look at this LS. This thing is sick. Slammed, properly fitted. Wow, I love those wheels. I hope he's on bags. Otherwise, I don't know how you can drive this. Inspiration right here. I want a blower so bad. That's actually a VK, not an LS. Look, you put it on there so everybody sees it. It's beautiful. I'm not too fond of KATs, but this one works really well. So I'll deal with it. That LS life. This is beautiful. I love this fully wrapped manifold, left and right, all the way to the turbo. This is a really clean, well-made job. So this hatch is a girl that owns it, and I heard it did 10 seconds on the quarter mile with a KAT, which is very well done. I love the wrinkled black. Very nice in there. The tubbed quarters and everything. I gotta say, I love this orange. I'm a big fan of orange.
Hi, this is Marco's camera. Marco went inside to go do something from the bar. But we're all here. We're all having fun. Yes, we are. We're all over here hanging out. This is great, mate. Like and subscribe to Matt the Ginge TV and Drift Happy TV. And it's a Wang. There's a Wang here.
That's inappropriate.
I figured I'd go take you on a tour. This is Jason's car. It has a 6.3 liter LS engine, non-turbocharged. It is NA. Inside, we have a 6-speed automatic dog box and a hydromatic handbrake. And Marco is also running away. This is also Arthur. He drives an SC269, which has a supercharged 2JZ, and it shreds. It's over there. And I'm Matt the Adam LZ, and that was Drift Happy TV.
Racist.
Okay, I'll let Marco. I don't know if you should put that in, Marco, but it's your car, really. It's your channel. And we're here though.
Wait, you're from Iran?
North Korea is the best Korea.
Is there any other? Okay, so.
I'm Matt, and this is my car. I stole his camera, and see, if you look at this, this is mine. He's on 350Z. It is an 03, and it's a little beat up. It's nice though. It's nice. So we got some mass sticker shop. I got keep drifting fun, because that is what it's all about. I wall tapped a little bit over here. A little too hard last event, but some kids on the side were egging me on, and it was a blast. So I had to put on the wall for them, because you know that's what it's all about. Got some sweet 265s in the back on some Cosmos wheels. Come over here, super clean door that has never been touched by anyone ever. That is a lie. It's pretty much stock interior. You know, I'm just here. I'm just giving Marco content. That's really what it's all about. Got a little bit of beat upness over here. I'm missing majority of the taillight that is held together by stickers. That's not really held together anymore. Also got performance up in here, some zip ties up in here also holding it together. Got some carbon crafting, over fenders, making it look sweet. And yeah, door is a little bit more beat up, but you know, we gotta do the angle for the Ace Cafe meet. Mark, there's some sketchy people showing up, and they're all stance boys, and I want to go home. So you're out there checking out, and I'm ready to go home. I want to go home, Marco.
I'm ready for food.
Yeah, he's ready for food. Let's go home.
Where's Doug gonna go?
Yeah, where's Doug?
Doug's coming.
Doug's coming.
She doesn't want kids?
Yeah.
Oh, then you're
Where are we getting food?
I think we're going to Gringos. We're gonna go to tacos. I really hope Marco sees this and he's like, I hate my friends. But he's like, I also love my friends because they make the best.
We just didn't want to tell him.
Yeah, no. It's gonna be great.
Gringos and Marco's not invited.
Marco's not allowed.
And then when he sees this later tonight when he's editing it, he'll know we all.
How do we give his camera back when he knows we left him?
We're all gonna tell him we're going.
We'll just film him on the way to get tacos, and he'll be like, "Oh, where'd everybody go?" And then he looks at his camera.
I'll be like, oh my god, no, I'll be like, someone stole your camera, but they returned it to me.
Anyway,
And you're at Gringos because they followed us.
They returned it to us.
They returned it to us at Gringos. Mark over here grabbing another drink, but he knows he's about to chug it right now. Hey Marco, we're going to Gringos, so chug that right now.
Are you GoProing right now?
Yep, you are. This is your camera, and you are about to chug this right now.
That is impossible.
And no, he's gonna do it, folks.
I am Liddy fam, and I'm gonna tell you right now, don't drink and drive. Wang's driving for me. I got a Wang,
which is why you're gonna chug it right now.
I can't do that.
And go.
It's a mimosa.
And go. You got. Oh.
Don't do it, YouTube. Don't do it. See, let me see. Show me. Come on. Come on. Show me. What do you have? What is this? Your name here. Oh, that's awesome.
Perfect. I love
He's getting like molested.
He's like, I don't know. He's got don't know what's going on, but it's all right. He's got blue tongue.
My man Alex showed up with his G, showing everybody up what's up. This thing is so beautiful. Look at his e-brake setup. This is what a drift car should look like. Sedan life. I love it. This is why I love this meet. Awesome, sick drift cars with nitrous. This is life. This is what you should drive to this type of meet. Bro, this thing is sick, bro. Thanks for coming out. It's slammed. Are you on bags or static?
Nah, it's on BCs.
You're static right now on BCs?
Yeah.
You, my man, are a savage. What? Can a credit card even fit under there? What is this?
A couple of them.
Oh my god. Yo, you got guts, I'll tell you that much. Alright, we're heading out. Wang's driving.
I haven't driven a manual in a long fucking time.
He's driving the Z for the first time. I've had a couple of mimosas, so be responsible. We made it. What happened?
You ran over the trash can.
Wang ran over the trash can lid.
Tacoed it, man. Dude, we all like kinked it, and you were just like, I'm gonna drag it with me.
Oh yeah, it's a party now, boy. The whole gang is here.
He's like,
I didn't have a way to get over, so.
and one bet.
Hey Steven, does it run?
It idles.
Did you finish it? It's almost done. It's almost done.
I need more than one person here to help.
Can I hear it?
How many people we got?
Steven's working on the Wanjay. He's got it almost done. I'm excited to see this. Then we're gonna paint it.
Yep.
It's gonna be amazing.
Yeah, but it's
Woo! Yeah! This looks like a house of drifters. That's how you know.
You know how you really tell?
Why? The dead tires? The stack of dead tires?
Transmissions and
Yeah, that's definitely a house of drifters.
doors that are you and John.
I have to take those doors
No,
home.
no,
I'm
you're
sorry.
not taking it. You're not gonna take it. You're gonna take it now. You want to help me carry this? Record that. Flash it straight through. Oh my god. How did you do that? I don't know. He's magic.
Alright guys, this is gonna be it. I'm gonna hang out with my friends, just play some Call of Duty and stuff. I'll see you guys later next time. Thank you guys for watching, liking, subscribing. Goodbye.